Yo, real quick, I like big balls. Lost a bet the other day, my bad boys. Hey man, so YouTube has taken away, as I've been talking about our views a little bit, I've been talking to, my network about it and stuff like that, we're on the blacklist. But this isn't the main point. You guys have still been giving mad thumbs up and mad comments down in the comment section below, which is what I've heard and what I've talked about is gonna help the most. So all I wanna ask you guys to do is like keep doing that. That would be so great. Thank you guys so much. I'm trying to like do what I do, just entertain people. You guys are rocking it. The view thing isn't your fault because they're keeping you from me, bro. And that's a fact, probably. So if you guys want to keep doing the thumbs up and comments, man, that's all I can ask for, and thank you so much. Also, man, quick unboxing, bonus unboxing before we start off this video. We actually just got hit up by Puma. They sent a little package right over here. It's out of the pack it actually came into, so it's not really an unboxing, but I haven't looked what's in here yet. I didn't know what came in the mail, so I'm like, I gotta open this thing. It might be a freaking bomb. You never know. Or another dild. At one point, people sent me like 4 dilds in the mail in the span of a month. I'm like, what are you guys doing? Who got my address? How did this happen? It was for sure a planned attack. Anyway, bro, Puma hit us up with this. I guess they did a collaboration with a soccer brand. I don't watch soccer, man. But they collaborated with Milan, Italy, soccer, blah, blah, blah. And they sent us this. And it says, please deliver to NameBran. It's pretty official. I think it's kind of sick. Now, this might come off as a big flex, but I'm not trying to flex when I say this. Just know this. You guys know I'm not really about that. I've been sponsored by Doritos before. You know what I mean? I've been sponsored by Xbox, Nike, Champ Sports. I've been sponsored by a lot of brands. Netflix coming soon, hopefully, if I can get the role that I finally want. And the reason I bring those up is because none of those equate to me getting sent something by Puma. Why is that, brand? Puma like kind of sucks sometimes. I would agree, to be honest. However, Selena Gomez works for them, and this is my quick chance to maybe get in there. You know what I mean? Puma, if you're watching, I don't mean it in a creepy way, but like if you could give me a little selfie for the boys, I'd be really sick. And don't be freaked out by the Selena tattoo I have on my lip. This is why your boy doesn't get sponsored more than once. But comedy is more important. Entertainment's more important. Anyway, they sent us this. I thought I'd unbox it. I've left it. I haven't seen it yet. This is Milan. I don't know soccer, like I say, or football, as they call it down there. I think they call this a kit. I've been down in like Germany and like England and stuff like that for YouTube stuff, and I'm pretty sure that's what they call it. I was about to go to a game, but I backed out right away. I'm like, I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know why I did that, actually. I regret it. Anyway, let's get into this. Quick, they got this thing right here. It's a card. So that's, I guess, what they're doing. They put out a new kit, and it says, this is a tribute to those who like you. Dyslexia is a biatch. Every color in their heart. I don't know. Let's just check out what they said. Cool packaging, cool unboxing. Ripped it right away. Oh, I forgot about that part. They also asked me if I wanted to customize, just like send what I want on the back and the number. What we have here is their jersey that they sent. Puma, I appreciate it. Milan, Italy, I'm Italian. I appreciate that. Right there, we got the 47, always repping Pro Era. If you know, you know. Nick Caution, my boy, really nice guy. Very underrated. Haven't talked to Joey Badass yet, but anyway, NameBran right there. Cool, man. Little bonus unboxing I thought I'd throw in this video. And let's plop her back. Now let's get into the real stuff, huh? Alright, man, so I have been on a search lately to find the cheapest real jewelry. Because I'd be naive to think that people only want to see the most expensive stuff ever, It would be dope, but I can't afford it, to be honest. But also, I want to kind of like entertain the fact that maybe people want to watch my videos and maybe buy the same thing I'm buying, or like get like little tips of like, oh, I can actually get this for pretty cheap and it's still real, aka real diamonds, So I found this watch actually off a company called JRWB. I don't know, it's not sponsored, so it doesn't matter. You're gonna figure out the name in a second. Who sells, and we've done a video on this before, they sell real diamond watches. Now these guys are insane at marketing, in my opinion. A lot of people are getting real mad at them. For example, a lot of you guys, when you hit me up on Instagram, they're like, they gotta be lying, This watch says it's real diamonds and it's only 200 bucks. Now if you actually go on the website, here's where the marketing strategy comes into play. Most of the diamonds on the sick looking watch that they're selling, most of them are fake. However, they do say in the description of the watch pretty clearly that you're gonna get like 12 real diamonds, for example, $200 watch. So that's kind of the marketing strategy behind this. A lot of them aren't real diamonds, but some are. So I thought I'd show you guys the cheapest diamond watch that you guys can buy for, I think it was like 169 bucks. Alright boys, here's the package. Once again, not sponsored. It says paid. Good old FedEx. Welcome to Canada. You always got duties on our packages, bro. Let's get into it. In my opinion, from what I've done with research, it is the cheapest real diamond watch you can buy. Oh, it comes with a card. I hate these. Y'all already know this. It's just baloney. Oh, this is advertising their new watch that's coming out, I guess. It looks like some Deadpool stuff. That's weird. Yeah, anyway, this is when I was doing my research. Actually, the cheapest diamond watch that I could find. That's no word of a lie. Now, it doesn't have... Oh, God, is that hard to open. I'm not gonna lie, this box right here is probably what I spent most of my money on. Because, I mean, they're just like a house brand of watch. Like, it's not like you're gonna buy a Gucci watch for maybe 500 bucks and there's your value right there. It's Gucci, you know what I mean? They're called JBW. Nobody knows really who they are. It's not an impressive brand, but they're still, I guess, taxing for the watches, and more importantly, you got a cool box with it. Oh, here's where it comes in. Then we have another thing. Diamonds in our DNA. Blah, 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 blah. Box is what I'm stoked about. Let's get into the watch, though. This thing costs $169. I just checked. I'm not trying to make a joke about 69, but I can't not smile when I say the word 69, because that's every man's dream. Let's go. I can't say that. I can't say that. I can't say that. I can't. Oh, God. Let's go. We're also going to diamond test this puppy. Now, wow. That's giant. This is horrendous. I am not gonna lie. I mean, it's too big. So here's the watch we got, boys. Real diamond. No, it's not bust down. Y'all know the bust downs, like, I don't know, I might have it around here. The bust down watches are the ones with diamonds all over it. This one's got diamonds all over it, but you can't see them, bro, because I spent way too much money on it and they're way small. It's just bad waste of money. Anytime I like bring up this watch, I have to elaborate on the fact that I made a huge mistake. Anyway, so seeing this in person, this is laughable, in my opinion. So, the quality of the watch, as I feel, it is nice. Now, if you look at it on the inside, there's a bunch of diamonds there, right? And on the outside, which you guys can't see, which you might be able to. I've actually been really digging this lighting lately. This new setup that we have, the lighting's real like yellow, but it makes like things shine a little better. So this specific watch on their website says it comes with 12 diamonds. Now, guess where the 12 diamonds are if you can see them. There's diamonds right above, like right on the bezel here. I'm pretty sure that's what that's called. Once again, I don't claim to know anything about jewelry. I'm mostly here for entertainment and talk about things I'm interested in, which a lot of companies don't understand. Man, you're giving us a bad name. I don't care. I don't care. I don't claim to know what I know. Anyway, we're not going to get into that rant again. So there are little mini diamonds along this, 12 of them. Now, I looked at it on the website, and what I've thought is those are probably the real ones. The ones on the inside, hopefully, are the ones that are fake. So first off, let's just see. I got this thing warmed up. Let's just see if those are actually the real diamonds. Then I got a little tad bit of information for y'all. So yeah, y'all see what I'm talking about. We're gonna take this, the real diamond test, the real nice one. It was like 500 bucks or something like that. That's metal when I hit that. Don't panic. Okay, so there we go. I'm actually not shaky today. This is crazy. Not too shaky. That's metal again, so I might be a little shaky. When it goes red, that's metal. It's me missing the diamond, in other words. God, Brandon! Yeah, diamond. Okay, I think we found the diamonds. I'm just touching metal. The diamonds are on the outside. Now, one of the funny reasons, whenever I come up with a video, I'm like, how could I like say some input that might affect you? That might be like kind of comedic. It's not actually supposed to be comedic, but how can it affect you? The reason I saw this watch is like, I know y'all like, some of y'all are trying to like fake flex, which is like fine. This is a perfect opportunity, my guy. You know what I mean? This thing, you could go to school, be like, yeah, you see all the diamonds on the inside? Those are real as hell. No, they're not. Oh, yeah, they are. Then you diamond test the outside of them, and like people are like, oh, the ones on the real, like on the inside must be real too. People see a lot of diamonds, they're like, wow, that's crazy. So there's your little fake flex tip. I don't condone it, nor do I care actually. So I just don't care. I don't care if anyone fake flexes. Do what you need to do, bro. So those are the real diamonds, as we saw, with brand shaky hands. And it's a quick flex, I guess, if you really want it. Now, actually, getting onto that topic one more time. Do I want to share this? Sure. I got a lot of like ideas of like inventions and stuff like that. This is how my mind works. It's like very creative. $1 million idea. I've been searching this up for a long time. There's nothing like it. If somebody's got the money and the time and they want to make this happen, do it. Somebody needs to create a diamond tester keychain. Something about this big, something not too crazy. You keep it on your keys. You can diamond test it all times just to prove to the kids that your stuff is real. You know what I mean? Even if you think that's a goofy idea, that would sell, bro. Imagine pulling this out at school and people are like, "No, yeah, that's fake. This is ridiculous. It might prove it's real, but this is ridiculous. You're trying too hard." We need to invent a diamond tester keychain. Somebody do it. And just like let me know when you do it. You don't gotta give me money, but let me know. You know what I mean? Anyway, there's the watch, boys. You guys let me know. Obviously, all the ones on the inside are fake. All the ones on the outside are real. And that's kind of why I picked this one. Also, it was like the cheapest, and I was trying to find the cheapest one. But it's I don't know, man. If that's what you're into, the fake flex, or if you just like the look of the watch, I'll show you again, kind of what it looks like on. It's not bad. It actually looks kind of cool. I thought it was big at first, but I do like kind of statement pieces. So that is actually not, that's not sick, you know? Anyway, JBW, if you want to go find it, not sponsored whatsoever, but that's where you can find it. NameBran fam, real strong, bro. There's the cheapest watch you can buy on a budget. Oh, I found out this thing also has a card in it. I was just looking at that now. Genuine GB, I'm already over, I don't even care. Appreciate y'all for watching, working the game, great supply time. Yeah, let's go. NameBran fan, bro. NameBran fan. You guys have been killing it. You guys have been killing it. YouTube hasn't it, you guys have. And I really, really appreciate that. Let me know what your thoughts are on this watch down below. I think I said what I need to say. Bye.